Most people still get this question wrong, and I will show you why and where they make mistakes. Or do you think you are not one of those who get it wrong? Now, if you are not one of those who get it wrong, then can you solve this in 3 seconds? Three, two, one, and time up. Were you able to solve it? And what did you get? Now, let's see how people make mistakes solving this. So when solving this, we have to use the PEMDAS rule, which they use also when making the mistake. They use the PEMDAS rule, and they say, some people say 18 so they first solve what is in the bracket. 1 plus 2, this gives 3, and this becomes 18 divided by 2 times 3. And then they say, because we are using PEMDAS and multiplication appears before division, so we say 18 divided by 6 and gives 3. Unfortunately, this is wrong. Why? Yes, we are to use the PEMDAS rule, but you need to know that whenever multiplication and division appear together, you are to solve from left to right. And whenever addition and subtraction appear together, you are to solve from left to right. So this means that if division appears before multiplication, then you have to divide before you multiply. If subtraction appears before addition, you have to subtract before you add. And that is exactly what we will be doing with this question. So now let's solve it the right way, using the right approach. So do not be rigid with the formula. Don't just follow it blindly. Whenever you are using the formula, don't follow it blindly. So now let's solve it the right way. We have 18 divided by 2. So as we said, we have to solve what we have in the bracket first. And this means times. So that means times 3. Now we are left with division and multiplication. Then what do we do? As I said, you have to solve from left to right. That means you will say 18 divided by 2, and this gives 9. So we'll be left with 9 times 3. And what is 9 times 3? 9 times 3 gives 27, which is the correct answer. Any other answer you get is wrong. So this is why most people still get this wrong. So now let me know in the comments, are you part of those who still make this mistake? Are you part of those who still get this wrong? Or do you always get it right? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.